Hello, I'm Patrick Jameson, and in this video, I'm going to install the PGT aluminum casement window. The first step is to remove the screen to prevent damage to it. After dry fitting your window, apply the appropriate sealant to the flange, to the buck, or both. The next step is to go on the inside, unlock and open the window. Before I can unlock and open this window, I will need a second person. It takes 2 people minimum to install this window. I'll raise this lever up to unlock the sash, and using my construction handle, I can open it. Follow the product approval using the appropriate fasteners when anchoring your window into the substrate. Use shims at every fastener location when needed to keep the frame square, level, true, and plumb. I'm going to anchor the window into the substrate while my coworker holds the window into the opening. For best practices, when anchoring your sill, drill and get all the dust out of the hole. Fill the cavity with sealant. You can even run your fastener through the tube of sealant, anchor it down. After inspection, top off each head with sealant. Remember to periodically check your frame for square, level, true, and plumb. As you're fastening the window, ensure the sash closes and locks correctly. The window is now installed. It operates and locks correctly. We can apply a bead of sealant to the exterior perimeter of the window. To recap, I've now sealed and installed the window. It operates and locks smoothly. In the next video, I'm going to add the operator cover, handle, and screen.